Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can update ShareX when the version we have is already out of date. This tutorial will help you to get latest version very quickly. To check that, open ShareX and click on About. If you see this kind of message, that means a new version of ShareX has been released and we need to update our current one. To do that, simply click on the link shown there. A small window will pop up and you'll see the version you currently have installed and right next to it, the latest version you're about to get. If you're happy with that, just click Yes. The new ShareX installer will start downloading. Just wait patiently until that process is complete. Once download finishes, ShareX will automatically close and Installation Wizard will open. Installation process will run by itself, so there's no need to click anywhere. Just wait until everything finishes. After installation is complete, Wizard will be closed automatically. Now it's time to open ShareX again. You can open ShareX from System Tray area. And when you check the version number, you'll see that we now have latest version of ShareX installed. If you close ShareX and open it again, and you'll notice that the ShareX we have now is fully up to date. Friends, this is how you can update ShareX to get latest version with the newest improvements and fixes.